this is the home page of the Emfluence platform. And as you can see, we have all different sorts of analytics and stats that you can look at. But right now, we're going to go to Options. From Options, we're going to go to Microsoft Dataverse Integration. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we currently have all of our syncs enabled and active. So anytime we're going to mess with mapping, we want to make sure that our syncs are paused so that it's not trying to sync as we're adding a field. So I'm going to hit Manage, and I'm just going to turn all of these off for the meantime and hit Save. Next, we're going to go to Field Mappings. And as you can see, we currently already have a bunch of different fields mapped from our CRM to the Emfluence platform, including birthday. But say this wasn't already mapped. All we would have to do is hit New Field Mapping. You can select your entity. We're going to select the Dataverse field first, type in birthday, and then select the Emfluence field, date of birth. And then all we're going to do is hit Save. So once you add your new field, we're going to go ahead and turn all of our syncs back on. And if you wanted to map a birthday from your CRM, specifically from Dynamics to the Emfluence platform, it's as easy as that. That's all you have to do. But say you want to capture the birthday directly from the Emfluence platform. First thing we're going to do is create a form. So all we have to do is go over to Content and go down to Forms. We're going to hit a new form. We'll title this Birthday Demo. And as you can see, it already starts my field off with an email field. This is the only field that's actually required on your form. But we can add any other fields that we'd like first name. We can add last name, let's say company. And then of course, the most important one for this demo is we're going to add date of birth. And we're going to make this one required because that is the field that we are specifically trying to capture. So once we do that, I'm going to hit Save. And then where is this form actually going to go? We're going to build a landing page specifically for this form. All right, so once again, we're just going to go down to Pages, and I'm going to select New Page. You can select any number of templates. For right now, let's go with City, Steak, and Seafood. All right, and I'm going to title this one Birthday Club. So for right now, I would probably be making this prettier if I were actually building this for a client, but since I'm just showing you how to use the platform, we're going to make it pretty simple. So I'm going to say, join our birthday club. And now I want to add that form. So I'm going to select a form and I'm going to put in birthday demo, which we already created. All right, now I did not activate my form, so I do have this red bar up top. When you actually activate your form, you will not see this. But now, as you can see, we already have all of the fields pre-filled. So if any of your contacts have already entered their first name, their last name, their email, it's already going to populate for them. So they don't have to do the extra work of putting in these fields if they've already given us that information. And they're going to give us their date of birth. So now we will have that record for any contact that fills out this form.